Number 4, find your child's learning style. Learning styles can be of different ways. It can be visual, it can be auditory, and it can also be kinesthetic. Help your child to find the right learning style so that they can learn in the most effective way. Number 5, have discussions and not lectures. When your child is asking a question to you, try your best to answer. But you can always turn the conversation into a fun and an engaging way by asking open-ended questions. For example, you can ask, what do you think you could have done in this situation? Or why is this happening? These questions help them think more on the same topic. And number 6, be supportive and encouraging. Always be supportive and encourage even if they fail. Let them know that you love them even if they make mistakes. For more such tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and channel and stay tuned for all the videos. Thank you so much for watching.